Cases at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport have been flagged off as possible Indian COVID-19 variant following the retesting of all passengers from India upon arrival in the country. According to Health CS Mutahi Kagwe, the 13 cases came in with a negative COVID-19 certificate only to test positive upon retesting. The government is yet to effect a ban on all flights between Kenya and India following a surge in COVID-19 cases in that country. Zainab Mohammed with the details.
Following a dangerously high surge of COVID-19 cases in India, the government imposed a ban on all passenger flights between Kenya and India and ordered for mandatory retesting of all passengers arriving from that country, a directive that is seemingly bearing fruits as the government has now flagged off a total of 13 cases at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport as possible cases of the Indian COVID-19 variant. According to Health CS Mutahi Kagwe, the 13 cases came in with a negative COVID-19 certificate only to test positive upon retesting.
We have discovered and found and picked up not less than 13 people, from India who have got negative certificates, but who have come in and we have tested them again because you are subject to a second test.
Kagwe now says the new mandatory COVID-19 testing upon arrival in the country will from now on be implemented among passengers arriving from all over the world and not just from India.
And in fact, Mr. Chairman, today we ordered not just India, not just the people coming from India, but people coming from anywhere. We now want to roll out the possible of a second test in any event when people come into our country.
At midnight Saturday, all flights from India will be halted, with all those arriving from that Asian country being forced into a 14-day mandatory quarantine at their own cost.
Effective Saturday midnight, there will be no Indians coming into Kenya, whether through a direct flight on Kenya Airways or through any other destination.
The Indian COVID strain is said to be more dangerous and highly contagious, with its presence confirmed in at least 17 countries, including neighboring Uganda. Meanwhile, Kenya has today recorded a total of 497 new COVID-19 cases, 441 recoveries, and 17 new deaths. Zainab Mohammed, TV47.